encourage பட்டல ஒருத்தர் விடுறதில்ல.
Good day to all. My name is Chelsea Wallace. I am studying 4th term. My is Chennai Primary School. My father's name is R. Seni. My mother's name is S. Mahalakshmi. I am younger brother S. Satish. My father working with schooling. My mother working housewife. My mother like studying like standard. My best friend who are son. I love to ice cream very much. I love mother very much. Good day to all. My name is Sandhya. I am studying 6th standard, Chennai Primary School, Stadium School. My father name is T. Bhaskar and my mother name is Selvi. I have one younger sister name is Saundarya. I am 10 years old. My favorite is this biryani. My favorite band is dance. My favorite subject is math. My hobby is watching TV. My best friend name is R. Chandra Sankari. Thank you and next day. My name is Sankari Bhaskar. I am studying 8th standard. My father name is Vainiraj. Hello to all. My name is T. Suresh. I am studying 5th standard. Chennai Primary School, Srinivasan College Street. I have two younger brothers. Name is Karthik and Arjun. My father working is welder. My mother is housewife. I like to play tennis. I like to help my mother and hold other people. My favorite bird and animals are parrot and lion, tiger. My favorite subject Tamil. My hobby is watching TV and Facebook. My favorite story is Rabbit and Squirrel. My best friend my aim is and become police officer. Thank you. Have a nice day.